In this video, I'm gonna show you how to align your prints so they come out looking perfect, close to perfect. I don't wanna sit here and say it's gonna be completely perfect, but to where you're not gonna be upset about it. So let me just show you guys. I don't know if you can see, but this is not aligned correctly. You see right here on this strip, this is a test print. You see how there's not much white. It's a little bit to the side. So this is very important. You guys should always be doing this to make sure that it's aligned the correct way. And right here we have the 2x6. This will be the same exact strategy if you have a 4x6, a 6x4. So this doesn't matter. The size, I'm gonna show you how to fix this. So I have the iPad ready. We have the high-T printer. This would work. This is the same process for any printer, right? Doesn't matter if it's this one, the DNP, you know, a Canon printer, the process is pretty much the same. Unless you have like that perforated paper, and maybe it's different, but for most printers, it'll be the same process. So let's go ahead and hit the drop-down menu. And again, I really wanna make this point. You guys should be doing this before you start your event. Don't just show up, turn the printer on, and you don't even do a test photo. You guys have to make sure you're doing the test. So drop-down menu, LumaBooth, but anyways, drop-down menu, the setting is in print setup. Now you see to the left, right over here, where it says alignment. This is where we make the corrections. So I noticed it was a little bit to the right. What I'm gonna do here, where it says scale, I'm gonna drop it to 99. And again, this could be different from you. So don't just take these alignment coordinates and do it thinking it's gonna fix yours. You could have your paper to the left, mine can be to the right. So just make a small adjustment, and I'm gonna shift it a little bit to this side. And again, look at this black box. You see how it's moving? This is basically representing the template. So I'm gonna go now, hit the drop-down menu, and we're gonna run a session. A lot of people hit that print test page. I don't recommend you do that. It's not gonna give you, and me, I don't think it's the best way to do it. So we make a little adjustment.
Get ready.
And again, you are gonna probably have to do this a few times. So it's always good to
Okay, smile.
make a little adjustment, then correct it. This volume is a little too high. Let me lower this volume.
Say cheese.
Sorry guys, sorry if that blew out your speaker. Okay.
Ooh, looking
Good. Share your photo. All right, we're gonna hit print. And we will see. I'm gonna wait for this thing to go. Also too, I guess, while it's printing, it's always good to mention that it's always good to remember that when you first do your test prints, it is gonna take a little bit longer because the printer has to warm up. But once you keep going, it gets a lot faster. And that was it. Actually, it's not it. I spoke too soon. So let's look. We're gonna do this together. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm filming in 4K so I can punch it in. You see right here? That is not good. It looks like it's a little bit to the left. I actually have to go and change it and push it a little bit to the right because we want this white line to be spread out. Okay, so drop down menu on LumaBooth. So yep, maybe a few notches to the right to get that thing perfect. And again, you go back to print setup, alignment. I was wrong. Let's go to 2, to the right. Perfect. Drop down menu. And I'll keep these ones. I'm not gonna throw them like the other ones. We're gonna go to launch event.
Get ready.
And we have to walk through this process, but I'm gonna speed it up this time so you guys don't have to wait.
Okay, smile. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, good. Share your photos.
All right, let's print. And this one should be a little bit quicker. Yep. I counted in my head, there was about 3 seconds faster to engage, 2 to 3 seconds faster, because we just did a previous print. So let's see if this fixes the solution. Maybe we have to go in one more time, but we'll see. First print, second print. All right, so let me grab these. It's a little bit better. I don't know if you guys can pick it up. I'm gonna have to move it more to the right. It needs to be shifted. I'm gonna go in a few more times. I don't think I'm gonna get it correctly right this next one. I think we need to shift it. I'm gonna go 5. I'm gonna go 5. We're gonna hit the drop down menu. Hopefully this isn't boring, but I want you guys to see the process of this. And we're gonna go.
Get ready.
All right, let's fast forward this, and then I will see you guys when it prints out.
Okay, flow. Say cheese. Okay, good. Cheers.
All right. Much better. I'm actually happy with this. I would go with this. So now look. I know some of you guys would say maybe go back one, but this looks fine. As long as I can see a good amount of white in between, the main concern again is right in here. Yeah, I am totally happy with this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, if you want to get started in this photo booth rental business, go to photobooth101.com. We have all of the equipment you need to get started. The printer, the catch tray, the paper, the photo booth, the backdrops, the props, training videos, so much more. And as always as well, if you want to use LumaBooth, the best iPad photo booth software, in my opinion, that exists, go in our description if you're watching this on YouTube, the link to sign up, you'll get a discount, and you can also get access to our private group chat for the software. And if you're watching this on TikTok, check in our bio, the link to sign up is there. So thank you guys, God bless, see you soon.